Hi everyone, welcome back to Tron 3 Entertainment. And today I'm reviewing the Magicteam sound machine. It's a white noise generator to give you some environmental sound to help you sleep. And if you got a problem like tinnitus, it can really help drown out your tinnitus and create a nice sound for when you're sleeping. So this is a basic unit, as you can see. The unit itself is fairly small. I got the wood grain. It was $1 cheaper for me. And here's the power supply. A nice standard USB. You can plug that into a USB outlet if you have one. And surprise, surprise, USB-C on the other end. So I'm going to plug this in for you real quick. We're going to go through all the sounds. Okay, now, before we go through the sounds, let me find the manual and show you what all the sounds are. What? No. I said I'm not doing any more figures. You're neither Shazam or Shazam Jr. You have Shazam's face and Junior's suit. You're a mashup. You don't belong here. No. I said no. No. Sorry, I've been doing figures for so long that I don't want to leave. Okay, here are the sounds. You can pause the video if you want. There are 20 different sounds. There's about 32 different sound levels. And I've had it unplugged. It may start on the brown noise, so let's start going through the sounds. It's easy. Single press, it's going to turn on. Half-second press, it's going to turn off. You got the volume controls and the little switches. Now, they're good, they're effective, they work. And let's go through the timers. So if you turn on and it's off, turn that down just a little bit. You press it again, 1 hour turn off, 2, 3, 4. Or back to continuously staying on. Let's test the volume a little bit. It does get fairly loud. We're going to turn it down just a little bit. Enough so that you can hear it. Okay, as you know, that's the brown noise. Let's go to pink noise. Almost sounds a little bit like rain. Blue noise. White noise. Those all sound like static, but now we go to soft fan. I've been kind of using this one. Household fan. Industrial fan. Big fan. That sounds a lot more like a fan. Rain on the yard. That's very realistic. Very, very realistic. Oh, heavy rain. Now the sounds are non-looping. I don't know who could sleep with the sound of thunder going on. I don't think you get thunder again after that. Oh, no, there you go. And you can't hear a break in any of the loops. So we're going to go to rain on the window. Okay. Sounds a little bit like hail. Stream in the cave. Yeah, that should get you peeing yourself in bed, right? A brook. A river. Gentle sea wave. Yeah. Pretend you're at the beach. A mighty sea wave. Surf's up. Okay, for the kiddies, how about little sea wave? Want a little ambient noise? How about some singing birds? Now, if you ask me, this is more of a sound you want to wake up to, but... Oh, campfire. You know, sound of a crackling fire, you know? Dreaming that you're trapped in a fire? What better way to sleep? And finally, last one, number 20, train. Sounds like a train's going to crash into your room at any second. I mean, who would save you at that point? No. Okay, well, that's a review of the Magicteam sound machine. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.